Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be showing you guys how to make call bundles on Telecel, that's formerly known as Vodafone. So if you are thinking of making call bundles on Telecel, then this particular video is for you. So open your dialer. Before that, there is two options in here that you can follow to make a call bundle on Telecel. One has more minutes than the other, but I'll be doing all in this video. So the one that you prefer, then you choose that particular one. So the first one that we'll be doing is the Vodafone Red offer. Vodafone Red offer. So with that one, dial the USSD code *200# hash. So this is the first one. Then select daily 3. You can select any offer that you want, whether flexi, select daily. So you realize in here we have the 0.50 150 minutes 1 day. We have the 1 CD 100 minutes. So select the one that you want. So maybe I want 3. Yeah, so in here you see the options. I'll be giving 350 minutes to Telecel, to call Telecel numbers, and 25 to all network, and I'll be giving 90 MB and 50 SMS. Yeah, so you just have to confirm. Select your payment method, whether you want to pay with airtime or you want to pay with Telecel cash. So select the method. You want to pay with Telecel cash. Yeah, so in here you just enter in your PIN and the transaction will be done. That's for the first one. And you realize one thing about the first one is sometimes you won't get much time, minutes to call other networks, but with the second one you get more minutes to call other networks. So with the second one, open your dialer and dial the code *530# 30#. That's the Telecel made for me offer code. So dial this code, and you realize the last offer will give you in here. The rest are bundles, but for the last offer, I realize I'm getting 200 minutes all net, 200 minutes for just Ghana 5 CDs for 7 days. I think this is amazing. So you realize in here this offer is good as compared to this offer. As realizing here, this offer is there. As realizing here, this offer is way more better than the red offer that we selected first. So you select the first one, that you select the fourth one. Yeah, and in here you choose the method of payment, whether Telecel cash or airtime. So if you are paying with your airtime, set airtime. Yeah, so that's how simple and easy it is to make call bundles on Telecel. So select the one that best fits your needs. So if you are thinking of doing only call bundles for Telecel numbers only, then I would advise you to go in for the red offer. But if you are thinking of uh, a call bundle to call all networks, then the made for me offer is the best one for you. Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and give a sweet comment, and also share with your loved ones. Okay, see you in the next video.